Hello everyone. So today we are going to speak about the 1111 portal. 11th of Jan. Okay. The portal energies have already begun. Okay. It's an important energetic alignment. 11 plus 1, which is a Jan, plus 2026 if you add is a 1. So 1111. This is how we call this is a portal energies. The portal is about new beginnings. The portal is about you releasing everything from the past and now moving ahead in your life, trying to take that aligned actions towards your goals, towards the feelings which you are getting from within. What you need to do over here is that whatever goals you have in mind, okay, whatever thoughts you have in mind, you need to be in alignment with your goals and thoughts. So every day on daily basis, I would suggest journal down what you want in life, and every day do the journaling, or at least every day whatever you have written, go through it once so that it's there in your thought, so that you don't get diverted. Okay, because you have to be in alignment if you need this year to be fruitful for you, if you need this year to be successful for you. Okay, and this portal talks about leaving away all the feelings of lack, the resistance feelings which keep coming up. Okay, the feelings that you avoid something in your life, you need to release these things from your energetic field, because your energy should also be aligned with the God and with the universe. Okay, the good feelings which you keep getting up, that good feelings is nothing but the good feelings are God. That is how you understand God. That is how you understand universe. Universe means that universe is giving you signs and synchronicities through music, by seeing different angel numbers, by hearing some repeated names. Okay, by having good feelings and good intuitions. So you need to work and listen only and only towards your intuition. For once, you need to really love yourself wholeheartedly and become open to receiving all the energies. Become open to receiving and listening to the universe, because this is a universe and God speaking with you. This is not some human being speaking to you. Okay, human beings can make mistakes. Human beings are so conditioned today that if you go and ask them something, they will speak out of their conditionings. Okay, there are many who are removing the conditionings, the layers. They are peeling the layers and they are understanding the truth. Okay, because these are the people who listen to their intuitions. You also need to follow and listen to your intuitions, your gut instincts. Okay, we always say that listen to the gut instincts, what are coming from within. They are always right. Okay, they are always right once you start listening to your intuitions. So be in alignment. Okay, don't overthink. Whenever you overthink, just take a pause, relax, connect to your energy and tell positive affirmations. I am safe, I am fine, I am protected, I am peaceful, I am loved, I am fulfilled, I am whole, I am completed. When you say these affirmations, then you will come back in your alignment and again work towards your goals. Okay, you need to be in love with yourself, love with the nature, mother nature around you, love with every cell which is there in your body, and that is how you will always stay in alignment with your own self and with the God and the universe. Because if you love yourself wholeheartedly, okay, then you can also pour in that love to others. It's as simple as that. People who don't love you, respect you, value you, you need to leave them away from your energy field and your body. You just need to leave them. Okay, not think about them, not bother about them, because God is there to bother about them. You don't need to bother about them. Okay, God is the one who is looking after all of us. Even when we were even when we were not born, that time also God was looking at us, right? So God is always looking out for us. What you need to do is you need to work and focus towards your goals. This 11/11, when it's starting now, okay, you need to start actually thinking about what you want for yourself this year, this whole year. What do you want to do? Where do you want to reach? What goals do you have in mind? Where do you want to stay? Okay, what surroundings do you want for yourself? Okay, you need to actually start thinking and journaling, writing, staying in aligned action, taking aligned action, staying in alignment with yourself, with your highest self, listening to your own highest self and intuitions. That is what you need to do. You need to also be with the right company, the right people who can motivate you, who can always be by your side, reading good books. Okay, again, because wherever you get motivation, that you should do. And anything which is very dark, which is very negative, even if it's on screens, if you see some movie which is very dark or which is very negative, which has a lot of violence, you should start avoiding these things. Because these things which are there so much violent on the screens or on the phones which you keep seeing, they are very negative, because you don't know the impact they create in your aura and your energy field. Because when you go to sleep in the night, that time the dreams which you will get will not be that great. Okay, it's because of the violence which you have seen. Okay, the excitement which is created inside your mind and your body to see such kind of violent stuff. Okay, that excitement you need to control. That is how that control will happen. Okay, so you need to do breathing exercises, breath work which we call, or do meditation, connect with the mother nature. Okay, take salt water baths. So work on yourself, work on your inner core so much that you see the results from your energy, from your body. Because the universe is going to be attracted only to your energy. The universe understands energy, vibration and frequency. Okay, and that is how you need to work on yourself. Okay, and stay truthful to yourself, stay committed to yourself, to your goals, to your own life. Stay loyal to yourself if you want loyalty from others. Stay committed to yourself if you want commitment from others. Okay, and that is how you can see vast difference from today till the 31st of December 2026. If you want to see major changes, then please save this video. Okay, share it, spread it across if you feel like, and keep on remembering that you need to come back in the alignment. Okay, and if you wish to connect with me, you can definitely visit my website, you can email me, you can DM me. I'm always there to guide you and help you. Thank you so much.